Have you ever wondered, how can you make friends anywhere? The first step is simple. Start with a smile. A smile tells people you are kind, friendly, and ready to say hello. The second step is talking. You can ask easy questions like, do you want to play? Or, what's your favorite game? You could also share something about yourself like, I love drawing or I play soccer. That makes it easier for others to join in. The third step is listening. Good friends don't just talk. They listen to each other's ideas, stories, and feelings. And finally, remember, real friendship means respect. Whether you are at school, the park, or even in a brand new place, kindness and respect always work the same. Word of the day, respect. Respect means treating others the way you would like to be treated.